Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 648, and that is in continuation of resins. And resin is a very important chapter and very lengthy, and it has lot of pharmaceutical, medicinal importance, and that's why I am giving much emphasis on it. And there are different type of compounds. I mean, the organic terpenes, benzoic acid, cinnamic acid, the esters, vanillin, and some alcoholic terpenes. They are all collectively responsible for their medicinal importance as well as their physical appearance. And most of these resins, they are also used as a source of fragrance, or they are very much aromatic because of the presence of some aromatic compounds like vanillin. And this balsam tolu is actually this tree balsam is I mean the origin is Ecuador, and from Ecuador it went to other countries, and in UK this balsam tolu resin was mentioned even in 1700 in their pharmacopoeia as a medicinal source of against some diseases, especially the stomach disorder, gastric, bacteria, antibacterial, dysentery, diarrhea, and some other viral as well as fungal disease. And then later on in 1800, it was included in American Pharmacopoeia. And in American Pharmacopoeia also it is having very, very important medicinal value, and they are even today still it is widely used to treat diarrhea and to treat scabies and also chronic ulcer. So this balsam tolu resin is having lot of medicinal importance, and I have given all those structures because I have already told you that these resins, they are not 100% pure organic compounds, rather than they are the mixture of different type of organic acids, terpene, their esters, cinnamic acid, benzoic acid, benzoate. So these are all mixtures are there. And to identify the balsam tolu resin, what we are doing, we will take just 1 gram of this resin and dissolve in ethyl alcohol and warm it. Once it is fully dissolved, then we will check with litmus paper, and with this litmus paper, once it is having positive acidic taste, means when blue litmus is changed into red, indicating the presence of acid, that is clear that it is balsam tolu resin, because this resin is the mixture of benzoic acid, benzoate, cinnamic acid, so it is acidic in nature. And these structures are given here. First is, it is the mixture of benzoic acid. This is aromatic ring where the carboxylic acid is attached. The second one is cinnamic acid, where carbon-carbon double bond with carboxylic acid, that is called cinnamic acid. Then vanillin. Vanillin is also present in that is balsam tolu resin, and because of the presence of vanillin, it is having very good aromatic smell. And that's why in Europe and other places, this balsam tolu is also used for fragrance and for as a flavoring agent. And then the other one is ferulic acid. Here also benzene ring, aromatic ring, and with unsaturation and carboxylic acid is attached as a side chain. And then very important compound which is medicinal, eugenol, and this eugenol is also antiviral and antibacterial, and the other one is a acetate that is called benzyl benzoate, and this benzyl benzoate, this ring is attached with C6H5 COCS2, and the other one is that is benzyl cinnamate. This benzyl cinnamate is also another very important medicinal compound, and the other name of this benzyl cinnamate is cinnamine. So cinnamine is also very important medicinal compound in it. So balsam tolu resin is yellow in color, and actually it is sticky mass, it is solid, and once it is kept for some time, then slowly it becomes hard, and when we chew it, it is just like plastic type. And this is actually the mixture of different type of acids in ester form, like cinnamic acid, benzoic acid, that is benzoate, and then vanillin, some aromatic mixtures. So these are all together forms this balsam tolu resin, and it can be identified, or we can test it when we dissolve 1 gram of this resin in ethyl alcohol, heat it. Once it is dissolved completely, just bring a litmus paper, and once it is tested acid, it confirms that it is balsam tolu resin. So here balsam tolu, the botanical source of this resin is the tree that is called, the botanical name is that is Maraxylon balsamum lin, and it belongs to family Leguminaceae. Number one, balsam. The word balsam, from where the balsam came, the word balsam is applicable to oleoresin. Oleo means those resins which are associated with volatile material, aromatic material which are volatile, that is called oleoresin. So the word balsam is from the oleoresin, such as benzoin, and that benzoin is called balsam, or we can say Canada balsam. But it is generally understood as balsam tolu. Actually, this balsam, it is applied for oleoresin, and generally it is understood by name that is called balsam tolu. It is isolated from Maraxylon balsam tree, and it is indigenous to Ecuador, and dark fragrant perfume. Actually, it is just like a perfume. It is having very good aromatic smell or fragrance. Number two, balsam tolu is soft, sticky, yellow, and semi-solid mass, gradually hardens and become brittle and brownish in color. Finally, odor and taste are very good, aromatic, sweet smell, and balsam tolu forms plastic mass once it is chewed. Number three, balsam tolu contains 80% resin ester of tolucinotanol esterified. Actually, all those acids which are esterified, that is mainly cinnamic acid or benzoic acid, and these esters are called tolucinol esters with benzoic acid and cinnamic acid, and 9% is cinnamine, which is the mixture of benzyl benzoate and benzoyl cinnamate. And all these structures I have already given, and I have shown you what is benzoic acid, what is benzoate, what is cinnamate and cinnamic acid. All structures, vanillin is given, and this your balsam tolu is the mixture of all these acids as well as in their esteric form. And then about 20% free balsamic acids are found. It also contains vanillin and sterol. Total balsamic acids in the drug, both free and combined form, are 50%. Identification. Balsam tolu dissolved 1 gram in ethyl alcohol, warm it. Once it is dissolved, bring litmus paper. Once it is changed, it shows acidic. It confirm that it is balsam tolu. Actually, this Maria balsam tree leaves were used by Mexicans and Central Americans for asthma and to treat the respiratory disorder or bronchial asthma. And then in 1700, it came in Europe and it was documented in their pharmacopoeia in England as well as in German pharmacopoeia. In German pharmacopoeia, it is documented for its antifungal activity and also for some antibacterial activities. Actually, the pharmacopoeia means what they are doing for this natural product, plant products. It is a polydrug system. Lot of different type of mixtures are there. Just like I have shown you that in balsam tolu, different type of esters, benzoic acid, and vanillin, all are there. So it is very difficult to give the pharmacology or biological activity of a single compound. So it is actually polydrug system, and that standardization is done and it is documented in the books that is called pharmacopoeia. So every country is having their pharmacopoeia. Indian pharmacopoeia, we are going as per our Indian pharmacopoeia. Americans are going as per their American pharmacopoeia. British are going as per their British pharmacopoeia. Germans are going as per their German pharmacopoeia. But so far I have not gone through any Nigerian pharmacopoeia where all the isolated drugs from plant sources are documented and their pharmacology is given. So here, number 4, the leaves and the fruits of M. balsam tree have been used by indigenous tribes of Mexico and Central America for asthma, catarrh, rheumatism, and external wounds. Actually, this balsam tolu is very important from medicinal point of view. It has lot of medicinal importance, and that I have already given here, and I am mentioning. In Europe, it was first documented in pharmacopoeia in the year in that is 17th century, long ago. So almost more than 300 years ago, they mentioned in their pharmacopoeia because of its medicinal importance. And also it is mentioned in German pharmacopoeia as a fungicidal and bactericidal. And number 5, balsam tolu has been in USA pharmacopoeia since 1820, used for bronchitis, diarrhea, dysentery, and leukorrhea. So in American pharmacopoeia, this balsam tolu is mentioned for these diseases, and it has also been used for food flavoring agent because it is having very good sweet smell due to the presence of aromatic compounds and at the same time benzoate, that is ester, and vanillin, and also fragrance material for aromatic vanilla. Today it is used extensively. It is used extensively for wounds, ulcers, and scabies. So these are all the most important medicinal properties of balsam tolu. So balsam tolu, I have already told you, it is oleoresin, means this resin is associated with a very good aromatic volatile components, and that's why it is used as a fragrance material and also for sweetening, a very good aromatic smell also. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.